This is a how-to video for project leads on the Traineeship Staff Support Programme website or the Apprenticeship Staff Support Programme website. And in this video, we're going to look at how to put a date in the calendar. And so the first thing we need to do as project leads, as with another thing, is to log in. And so I'll put in my username there and my password. So I'm now logged in, and we want to go to this pane here. It should have your name at the top, and it will give you a number of options. And the option you want here is create content. So we click that one, and underneath it there's a number of sub options, and the one we want here is date. And so we'll come up with this page here, and the first thing we want to do is add a title. So for instance, as an example, I will put in the date of a workshop that we might plan to run. And so here I might just put in TSSP workshop and leave it at that. And I then need to select the date that I want to put in the calendar. And so I am, for instance, going to put it in the calendar for the 5th of May. So I then select the date I want to put it in, and I want it to start at 9 o'clock in the morning. And it will also finish on the 5th of May. It's only a one-day workshop, 2014, and it will finish at, let's say, it'll finish at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, and then I might want to include some more information about the workshop. So here, I was just putting in some more information about the workshop. What is it about? Where is it going to be held? You might include the timings again, who might be speaking, who it is useful for. So is it for provider staff? If so, is it particular providers operating in particular sectors? So you want to add that information in this content section here. And again, you've got this useful pane which will give you the option to just format some of your text. And one of the helpful things here again is if you need a provider to sign up to the workshop which is hosted on a different website altogether, then you can hyperlink them to that website to find out more and to sign up. And again, it's this button here to hyperlink it. Okay, and there's a number of other settings down here again, as with other pages. If you want to find out more about some of these settings, then you can find out on the how to create a news item video. But just to quickly run through it again, if you click URL path settings, it will generate an automatic URL. And if your title isn't too long, that should be fine. If you find that your title is very long, then you may just want to unclick that and add in your own URL there just to shorten it a little. But for now, we're going to go with the generated one. And then the other option is here is to add a file attachment. So you want to add a date in the calendar, and as part of that date for this workshop, you might, for instance, want to add the agenda. And so you would click here, choose file, and it would take you through to the documents, and you can choose which document you want to use, press open, and the name of the file will appear there. And you click attach, and it will attach it to that date. And so before you do anything, before you post it up, you can click preview, and it will give you the timings and what it should look like there to the person visiting that date you put in the calendar. And so if you're happy with it, you can scroll down and click save, and that has now been added to the calendar. And so just to double check, click home, click calendar, and if we scroll down to the 5th of May, so to go to the next, we can see there on the 5th of May it says TSSP workshop. And so if you click on that, it will give you the information, the content, and if you've uploaded any attachments or any hyperlinks, they'll also show there. So that is how to put a date in the calendar. And again, you can use the URL. If you go back to the calendar, click on the date we've just put, just created, then you can see the URL is there. And again, if you want to disseminate that and start promoting that workshop to get people to sign up, then you can use that link, and you can use these little links at the top to LinkedIn, to Twitter, or through your own channels, and to post people to this website. So that's it in terms of how to post up a date to the calendar. If you want to learn how to post up anything else in terms of a news article, a blog post, something on the forum, or how to edit your project page, then you can do that by viewing one of the other how-to videos.